Welcome to 365 Math. In this video, I'm going to be talking about converting decimals to percents. And what we're going to be doing is to multiply the decimal by 100. And the reason why we're multiplying by 100 is because we are changing it to a percent. Remember, a percent means per 100. So that is why we are multiplying it by 100. And if we have a decimal such as what we have in number 1, where we have 0.72, which we want to convert to a decimal, we are going to multiply this by 100. Hence, we're going to rewrite this as 0.72 times 100. And when we are multiplying a decimal, we move the decimal place to the right by the number of zeros that we have. And in this case, we have 2 zeros. That means we're going to move the decimal place twice. And that would be 1, 2. Hence, the decimal place comes right there, leaving our answer as 72%. Do not forget this symbol. Example number 2, again we have 1.83, which we want to change to a percent. That means we're going to multiply it by 100, and by so doing, we are moving the decimal point twice, 1, 2, and it's coming right there. That leaves us with 183%. Example number 3, we are doing the same thing. We are multiplying by 100, moving the decimal point twice, 1, 2, and it comes right there. And that leaves us with 11.1%. Example number 4, we are multiplying the decimal by 100, and we're going to move 1, 2. Now, if there is no number here, we simply add a 0 and we'll place our decimal place right there. And now we are left with 30 as our percent. So that is 30%. Example number 5, again, we are changing the decimal to a percent. Hence, we are multiplying it by 100. We are moving 1, 2. And we put our decimal point right there, meaning that we are left with 5.9%. Example number 6, we are going to multiply this by 100 and we'll move 2 places, 1, 2. And remember, if there's no number, we simply add a 0 and we have our decimal point right there. And our final answer becomes 1,580%. So that is it, guys. That is how you convert a decimal to a percent. You simply multiply the decimal by 100. I hope you learned something. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.